welcome back to my channel. I'd highly appreciate if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I post a video. Today is going to be the city tour of Amsterdam. I'm going to be visiting all the places in Amsterdam and hopefully I get to do like the canal cruise, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, that's going to happen as well today, hopefully. And yeah, I've already visited the Dam Square yesterday. If you haven't checked that out, please check that vlog out. Okay, so I thought I'll begin the video by giving you like a few facts on Amsterdam. Amsterdam is the capital of Netherlands, which used to be called as Holland, that is Hollow Land. And Amsterdam is below sea level, which is a weird fact. Since it's below the sea level, all the buildings are not straight. They're a tad bit tilted and it's a very colorful place. That's what I've noticed. That's pretty much it for the intro. Let's get started with the day. Okay, so the location number 1 in Amsterdam is this place called Zaanse Schans. I hope I'm saying it right, which is the windmill village. And also, if you guys didn't know, Netherlands is one of the biggest producers of wind energy, and it is very windy here all through the year. So yeah, that there is like the traditional old style windmills. I'll show you after going a little nearby. Okay, so apart from the windmills here, there are a lot of ducks and a lot of migratory birds, and inside this place is another wooden shoe factory. So yeah, let's go visit that as well. Okay, so I am inside the shoe factory and I have seen the olden day shoes, their pictures, and then they were playing making video in the background, and we just saw a live workshop as well. And all of these shoes and magnets are for sale. Literally shoe wonderland. Okay, done with the shoemaking workshop and the thing. We are now moving on to cheese factory. Hopefully we get to taste like the different types of cheese. Very excited for that. Okay, so got done with the cheese making, got to taste like a lot of them, and yeah. I don't know, this entire place, the bridge, the houses, everything is giving me the vibe of Beauty and the Beast, like the village Belle used to live in.
Our hearts beat to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
Okay, so made it back to the dam square, that is the central part, and yes, let's explore and maybe go to Primark right now to some shopping.
The top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Hello everyone. We are here to ask people to sign petition for the Falun Gong stop organ harvesting in China. Yeah.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
One eternity later.
Hey everybody, long later, it's 5:30 right now, and shopped quite a bit at Primark, and yeah, made it to the cafe where we were informed to come and to take the canal cruise, which I'm very excited about, since I already told that to you in the morning and got to know that the cruise is late by 20 minutes. So yeah, and it's raining, so we're gonna sit inside the Lovers Cafe for the 20 minutes.
We'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
It's 5:45 right now, and we got into the cruise, and they gave us these earphones so that it works like an audio guide. My god, it's raining, freezing, it's absolutely wet everywhere. In the morning it was sunny. Oh my god, Amsterdam is showing us all the possible weathers of Europe. Do I say hi? Hi, meet my new friend, Kushi. Okay, so done with the dinner. Very cold. Like, we all unanimously agreed that so far of all the places that we visited, Amsterdam has to be the coldest. I don't know, maybe because of the rain or something, but it's very cold. And yes, that the track that you see there is the cyclist track, which is another strange fact that I found about Amsterdam, because you don't see a path separately just for cyclists, right? And no doubt it's called as the cycle capital of the world. And even the Dutch architecture is very pretty. Like, so many windows in the front, and yeah, it's very pretty. It's 9:10 right now and made it back to the hotel. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If you did like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys next time. Until then, bye.